Hello and welcome to Kitchen Chemistry with Essential Wholesale and Labs. Today we're making a Rosemint toner. Let's get started. Okay, we're going to make some Rosemint toner, and to get started, of course, you'll need just 2 ingredients. This is so simple and great to make. You'll need Rosewater facial toner and peppermint tea. Okay, this simple recipe, all you have to do is take your Rosewater facial toner, and you could do the full, I wrote the recipe for the full half gallon. However, we're going to, for this demonstration, we're going to just make half of that. So we'll do 4 cups. Now, just to be clear, I did sanitize my beaker before I poured this in here with alcohol. Okay, so we've got our 4 cups of Rosewater toner. And of course, you'll need a hot plate to make your tea. And if I was doing the full half gallon, I would use 2 tea bags, but since I'm only doing 4 cups, I'm just going to use the 1 tea bag, and we're going to brew that tea. Okay, so I've let our tea heat up, and I've steeped it for about 15 minutes, and I like the color, and I like the way that this Rosemint tea now smells. So I'm just going to take the tea bag out and take this off the burner. And it's that simple. So we are going to let this cool down before we package it. Your Rosewater toner is already preserved, so no need to add additional preservatives. And there you have it. You have a lovely smelling Rosemint toner. It's an easy way to customize the rose toner, but you can also do this with any of the other toners. A cucumber mint toner might be just as nice. So we hope you have fun with this new idea, and that you take some time to customize your toners to be what you want them to be. So thanks for watching today, and please check the More button for a full description of this video, and please subscribe for more great videos.